subway system or a bus system or a transit system here, especially in New York City, is not going to function properly when we've deferred maintenance or we don't maintain things in a state of good repair. VHB is currently working for the Metropolitan Transportation Authority here in New York City, providing state of good repair services to their subway system, their infrastructure business unit. We're doing that over 51 projects around their bus facilities, their rail maintenance facilities, their line structures, and their wayside power system. We're working there as an extension of staff, providing program management to them and also delivering the final design services for the state of good repair. The MTA project was needed because they had such a great backlog in state of good repair. But remember, this is a 100-year-old system that the Metropolitan Transportation Authority is trying to maintain. We're helping them decide what needs to get replaced, repaired, or rehabilitated in all of our projects. I myself find it very rewarding when you can bring something to an absolute state of good repair. The benefits are that the system is reliable, we'll have a better quality of life, and we'll be able to serve our communities well into the future.